Okay, hi. It's been so long. I know that I've been on here doing videos, but I figured this math that we're doing in the math book, workbook, is like multi-step. So I kind of just wanted to go over it. You can watch this, slow it down, just so I can kind of explain it a little bit better. But you are starting on page 67. We are going to be working on subtraction, minus. Minus and subtraction are the same thing. This is minus. This is plus. This is adding two things together. You get a bigger number. This is subtracting numbers from a big group and getting a small number, smaller than the big group. Okay, so this is what we're working on today, subtraction. However, since it's multi-step, we're going to have to do some addition at the same time. Okay, so looking at your book, page 67, it says that Henry saw that there were no cereal boxes left on the shelves. There's nothing here. So he said, all right, I guess I will stock them up. He's putting cereal boxes onto shelves for people to get at the grocery store. So he loaded the cart to stock the shelves with these cereal boxes. He put 8 boxes in the shelves, or on the shelves, and we have to find out how many are going to be left on the cart after he's put the cereal boxes onto the shelves. Okay? So our first step here is to count these cereal boxes. So you need to go pretty slowly with your fingers so you don't mess up counting. You can count or you can count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I want you to write 16 right here, so that we remember how many are there. Then, down below here, it says Henry put 8 boxes on the shelves. Sorry. So let's circle 8. 8 boxes. So if he put 8 on the shelf and he had 16, we have to write a problem down here. We have to do blank minus blank equals something. We don't know yet. So we started out with the big number. Which one is bigger? Is 16 bigger or is 8 bigger? Which has more? 16 is more cereal boxes than 8. So we're going to start with 16 down here. 16, we have to minus 8. We have to take away 8 to find out how much he's going to have left on his shelf. Okay, so if you don't have counters or of any kind, or you can draw circles, that will help, but I am going to do our counters right here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay? So I have 16 cereal boxes right here. They're all lined up on the shelf just like he has. He puts 8 onto a shelf, okay? So let's stock this shelf. I'm going to put 8. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? I just stocked my shelves with 8 cereal boxes. Back down here on my cart, I have to find out how many are left. So I am going to move this to here because this is how many we have left on our little shopping cart. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 cereal boxes left on our cart. So in here, you can put the number 8. And then I want you to say this equation. 16, repeat it after me, 16 minus 8 equals 8. All right? So that is that. That is that problem. I figure we could do more practice, but attention span wise, it's probably best to just do this page. Okay, let me see how much time. Okay, I am going to do the other page. You can pause it for the day, or you can do this. Super flexible. Realistically, I'm never going to know when you do it. Okay. Home versus away, page 68. Page 68. It says, solve to find out how many more points the home team won by. So here's the home team. Here is the away team. In the first half, how many points did the home team make? 10, okay? 10 plus 7 equals 17. So there's our addition. Let's see what that looks like. So 10 plus 7 equals 17. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 plus 7, it says in the book, equals 17. Let's see if we have 17 all together, because this plus sign means all together. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All right, so that is how we got this number in the book. Then it says the away team scored 7 points in the first half and 6 points in the second half and had a total of 13 points. So that means that 7 plus 6 equals 13. Let's do that down here and see how they got that. All right, 7 plus 6 equals 13, it says. So let's find out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We see this sign. What does this say? 7 plus 6. So that means we need to add them all together. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, that is how we got this number. So now we know why the home team has 17 points and the away team has 13 points, and we are trying to figure out how many more points the home team has than the away team. So when we need to find the difference, what's in between these, that means we have to subtract. Subtract means take away. It means the difference between. So now we have to write our problem. So down here, I want you to write with me. 17 minus 13 equals. 17 minus 13 equals, and we have to find out. That is our equation. So, first step, get 17 counters. Sorry, I'm going up and down, but here we go, okay? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so here's the home team's 17 points that they won. The away team won 13. So let's take 13 of these aside and see how much is left over. Here we go. 13 we're counting to. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so this is what the home teams or the away team scored. And in the middle, the difference between the two, how many they scored more, is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the home team scored 4 more points than the away team. So that leaves our equation 17 minus 13 equals 4. Ta-da! Can you say that equation with me? 17 minus 13 equals 4. Good job, good job. Again, I'm going to just move on to the next days, but you can do it today or you can do it tomorrow. All right. Brr, it's cold. The directions read, solve to find the difference between the high and low temperatures. So we just talked about the difference. Is the difference going to mean we need to add or subtract? The difference between two, we have to find the middle, or what's left, I should say. Subtract. We need to subtract. It has the equation ready for you down here. So we need to find the difference between the highs and the lows. So it gives us the number for the highs and it gives us the numbers for the lows. Now, if you've never read one of these temperature things, a thermometer it's called, then we look at these numbers here. So we have 0 and then these slashes we count by 1. So let me just show you. It goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So this is where the red line stops at 18. Now, if we didn't want to just count every single dash, you can look at 15 and count on. Counting on is a really good skill to have. So here we would say 15, 16, 17, 18. If we were at 10 and I wanted to go 2 more spaces, rather than counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, we can just start at 10. We know all these numbers here, so it would be 10, 11, 12. We're just counting on. If we were at 9 and we had 3 more spaces, it would be 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so here is 18, so that we put here because that is our highs. Then we have to go over here and find our lows. So again, we're going to practice counting on. We have 0, 5, and 10. Since it's between 5 and 10, we can't count on from 10. We have to count on from 5. So count with me. That's not what we're supposed to do. Starting at 5, counting on. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is where the red line stops. So we put a 9 in here. 9 goes down here. And now our equation is what? 18 minus 9 equals question mark. We have to find out. So let's use our counters to find out 18 minus 9. You gotta see if we have 18. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we have 18 as our highs. We need to take away our lows to find out the difference between the two. So the low is 9. It says it right there on your paper, 9. So let's take away 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here are our lows. And this is the difference between the two. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 18 minus 9 equals 9. So the difference between the highs and the lows is 9. There's your answer. Subtraction is always a little bit more confusing than addition, but with the help of counters, it's made simple. And that is all I have for you. I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday.